In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Stuck in Lobby on Warzone 3. This issue may also mean you can't find a match. Start by opening the settings, then go to Account and Network. Find the crossplay option and turn it on. If you're on PC, then crossplay is enabled by default and can't be turned on or off. Next, try switching game modes. If you're trying to play Battle Royale, then switch to Rebirth Island and try to play a game. If you're having the issue with Rebirth, then switch to Battle Royale. Wait until you find a game, then leave and go back to the game mode that you want to play. If you still can't find a match, then try doing the same thing but leave after you are put into the game instead. Next, open the settings. Then head down and select Manage Files. Select Warzone and install Warzone. You may need to click Close and Manage to install Warzone. If you're still stuck in the Warzone 3 lobby, then make sure you're not connected to a VPN. Using a VPN can stop you from being able to find a match. Another solution is to restart your modem or router. You will want to leave it turned off for about a minute before turning it back on. You can also try closing and reopening the Warzone application, or restarting your computer or console to fix the stuck on loading screen issue. If you're having the issues on PC, then you can try flushing your DNS and performing a WinSock reset. Open the Start menu. Search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose to run as an administrator. Next, you will need to enter in each of the commands shown here one by one. Be sure to press Enter after each command and wait for the process to finish before entering the next command. Restart your computer after you have used all of the commands, then play Warzone. Consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.